Today I'm going to show you how I make a classic bechamel sauce. If you're a chef or a home cook, this is one sauce you really need to master. It is a staple in classic cooking for good reason. I always make my bechamels in a Dutch oven, but you can use a saucepan if you wish. Take the lid off and turn the heat down low to begin with. And we start our bechamel by making a roux, which is basically butter and flour. And the rule for a good bechamel, we want equal parts flour and butter. So I'm going in with 2 big tablespoons of butter. And the first step, you just want to melt the butter down and take it to the point where it starts to get foamy and slightly more brown in colour. As soon as it's melted and very lightly foaming, we go in with our flour, and then from there, mix it up, cook out the flour for about 2-3 minutes until it's almost like wallpaper paste. So equal parts flour. So we want 2 heaped tablespoons. From there, mix that through. Get in there with your spatula and you want to cook this out for about 3 to 5 minutes. It'll turn into almost like a wallpaper paste is the best way to describe it. And as with any cooking, the best way to go is to keep tasting as you cook, just so you have an idea of where things are. That is basically our roux. Turn that down again just for a second. Next up, our milk. So this is the important part, and this is where a lot of people get it wrong. You want to add a tiny dash of milk, keep stirring, and add a tiny dash more. Now you really need to take your time here. Little splash, stir it through. Another little splash, stir. We don't want any lumps. This will keep it nice, smooth. And you can kind of add more and more as you go. And you want to keep doing this until you've got a beautiful, glossy, thick white sauce. While I say thick, you want to take it to the consistency that you wish. And soon, it's going to start to get saucy. At the moment, it's still kind of elasticy and pasty. We're getting there. You can make them thinner, thicker. This is where it becomes a bit more variable. The rough rule of thumb is 1 part butter, 1 part flour to 10 parts milk. But again, this is not set in stone. Depending on what you're doing, you can make adjustments. So keep stirring, keep adding your milk. We want this beautiful and smooth and velvety. Look at that. Taste, adjust. That is generally how I like it. You want it to coat the back of a spoon beautifully and leave a trace when you run your finger over it, so it's got a little bit of body, but it's not thick and gloopy. Perfectly covering the back of the spoon there. Just a little point, there are variations on the way that you cook a bechamel. You can use hot milk, you can infuse the milk with spices, with onion, bay leaves, just to give it a bit of a savoury edge. But this is just your box standard, basic, classic bechamel sauce. But there we have it. Look at that. Silky, velvety. So I've not seasoned this. This I'm gonna season in conjunction with whatever sauce I make with it. I'll season to taste. But that there is a delicious and perfect bechamel sauce. So get in the kitchen, get cooking, give it a try, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.